This is a residence in Smithtown, New York. This section of the backyard is primarily used as the dog run, even though they have a patio. And we installed pet-friendly synthetic turf throughout this section of the backyard. This turf is 100% permeable. It's short and easy to clean, and it's specifically made for dog run application. So this is our new product. This is what we use to spray over synthetic turf, and especially for the dog run application. But it can be used for any synthetic turf area. At least once a year you wanted to clean the turf, you just spray this on it and leave it. You can rinse it off maybe like an hour, a couple hours later, or you can just leave it. This product is manufactured in Italy and is people and pet friendly, so it won't harm the humans or pets. To apply the cleaner, you want to get yourself a small sprayer like this one. This happens to be an 8 liter sprayer, and you fill this up with water to about 6 liter, and then you have to put about 3/4 liter of cleaner inside of it. That's it. So you mix the cleaner with the 4:1 with water, and then it can just be sprayed over the turf, and you can spray the turf about once a week if you have a lot of dogs, if it's a dog run like this one here. But it doesn't really require a lot of cleaner to be sprayed on the turf. Just a little mist on the top. Like I said, 1 gallon mixed, diluted. We'll do about 1,000 square feet, so it doesn't tend to be an expensive application, because you want to do this at least once a week. And that's the process. If you like to get the product, it's available at our showroom in Smithtown. So after 1 hour, it's ideal to rinse the turf, but let the cleaner stay on the pile, on the top pile, for at least an hour, and then you just spray a little water in it just to rinse it off. This will let the cleaner sink into the bottom of the turf and have sanitize the entire depth over the turf. Just a light spray of water just to wash the cleaner off the top pile.